When you find people who love you for who you are, pay the price and keep them. Swallow your pride and keep them. Not everybody has that time to love you for who you are.
Mema be hunu nyansa say yen ware ahofe yen ware oba shape yen ware suban yen ware oba ne nyansa oba nyansa ye oba ne nyansa mo odu oba ne nyansa mo odu no be me bi ntimi na ada no oba ne nyansa mo odu no omfiri wachi nkofa be ma foforo because na dwene mu pi oba sa na ye ware no
me ye brebre na me ye madwe so e kurase ni mu be maji mi fo me pagya me bag me nya le so be me bie me sinne sesa ade bi Onyankopon de chew pa be me bi Onyankopon hye dada ne chew but so hu so hye ne sa ulu so sa be ma na sesa enyu ho ofenti o de otie ne sa na otie ne sune ne ba ne sa na tie sesa nya me hyira wo be me bi etesa so ne mu yi nya me hyira be me bi otesa sesa yi hantan ni dwe totwene ne bro ho asesa wo ba ne tena wade ye ne ho na sesa
upese uba esue nyansa ana wo yire irrespective wa wo masika kasa ho enye se o yire ba ya obisa grace egie mani hu sa wo bre ansan wanya oba wo yisika ama oba kasa ho mani hu se it doesn't come easy so that they learn and that man ye say mi hwembo wira lote hwembo wira abu afunu dadaba mi maniso
ablabore went to boase say pere ho na walentem na nkwehia besia papa nhwe TV station po entumi nchenyi bi o yire so bohwe kunkum bag a o so e bohwe bo na wa ye ntokwa so ya abotala.
Do not marry a woman who doesn't love you. When you beg her to marry you, you will continue to beg her all your life.
A man that wants to live long must marry the woman that loves him more. Make a mistake of loving your wife more than she loves you. You will die 20 years before your time. And I don't want you to be in that group.
So what back one kind? I want Braboma and your bar. So what back she has I want Brabom swat and your bar. Let me too. Such a baby. Or buy your young open one body beer. What should the year? The sea. I'm a wabra bosso a conk.
And Jimmy for and what the shall you say. Or buy one mark of fun where you slave. No woman is a slave. Women are made for we men. That is why their names are women. A wise man respects women. A man who wants to be successful in life.
Loving someone means sacrificing for the person, standing by him or her, even when the whole world is against the person. Being ready to face whatever predicament him or her is facing together and being everything for that person.
If you love something, let it go. If it comes back to you, you know it's yours. If it doesn't, you know it was never meant to be.
Nansa mentine maybe asio obe hu na baby say many be man that 2-3 minutes na ne ho aba sister how many minutes na ka person ne ho ba and na pressure agi baby a meme titi e wo fees ho any ade no and how many minutes na person na ka ne ho ba na me ho ba ye sister wo na kwahin wo so why ready say wo de be ma no e ba be ye bibi pe baby a wo ho ne wo bia no na wa twi na ben wo say na be ya be ma no e bra ne ho ba 2-3 minutes na wo
Minti yese Emma wentwi emba me ne wontem memma yonko emba me ne wontem medan odokan ne ahompase edi akyerɛw
Obapa ene na me sure bo se koba se yare yi mu ohonye dia megina wachi
medo ekoba se ahokyerɛ mu woni bibia megina wachi